Alright guys, so I had to go to the mall and get a new phone so that I can edit and upload for Vlogmas for you guys. And now we're about to go do some fun Vlogmas stuff that you've been missing out on for the past week. Okay. And also the other vlogs that I did are probably lost forever. Okay, bye. Oh, these for me. I'm supposed to be looking for my mom. Or they? They're the only ones. It's Destiny. Okay.
One of one.
Those are cute too. I think my mom will like those. Maybe these. I don't know. What do you think? Oh, these are nice.
Let's see, for your mom's?
Yeah. Oh, this is a good price. Oh, you're right. She has like bigger ones.
So right now, you know, she's trying to get her little groove on.
That's the size she wears. She might like these.
What?
I like these for her. You like these?
That's cute.
Cause like she wears tiny ones to work.
Yeah. Nah, this for she's not at work, baby.
Which one do you guys like? This one's cute.
This one.
It's funny. I used to really want one of those. It's cute. Gold.
Hey, did you ever throw out that alien one I got you? Is it the alien phone case I got you?
No, I still have it at my mom's house. You know, sentimental value.
That's like the first Christmas first?
No, it's just the first thing you bought me.
Gave her an inch and she took them on.
Oh, wow. Wow. Hey, okay. So we're home. Didn't put Animal Crossing. I need to tidy up T-Mobile. Are any of you also Sprint and now you're not? Okay. So that was a headache. So I got the 11 and they put in the cool new box, which I thought was cool until I found out they didn't put a box in it. So I'm not as excited as I once was. I don't want the skinny box turned out. But
oh yeah, y'all need to give you the charger booty.
yeah. So, and then dogs never pick up their toys. I don't know if you guys have dogs, but they don't pick up their own toys. And it's a fucking mess. Don't do that.
What you doing? I thought you was finna make cookies and drink eggnog.
I am. I'm waiting on you. Watching. You rewatching the same show that you already saw.
Yeah, why you look sleep, huh?
I'm not sleeping, bro. I'm just waiting for you.
You waiting for me?
You laying here watching your TV shows. So I just was up here getting warm.
Yeah, what?
It's chilly.
Yeah, it is.
Obviously. You told me that.
Look, that head scratch right there means sleep. Look at your eye.
I'm ready for my cookies.
Go make your cookies. You gotta wash out that pot that you made the chicken on.
Like hell, I'm doing that.
They're like hell, you eating cookies.
We got like 2 different pans.
But they ain't gonna be the cute green one.
Okay. A cookie is a cookie is a cookie is a cookie. You don't have to be. Or should I have peanut butter cookies?
How you gonna make the peanut butter? Over the Reese's?
Yeah.
I ate all the Reese's.
You fucking lying.
No, I did. That was slut.
No, you didn't. I just tidied it up, and that's what I thought I saw.
Oh, you saw the bag. You know, I don't throw the bags away when I finish.
Yeah.
Well, alright, vlog. It look like she finna go to sleep.
I'm not. I'm about to go. Okay. So we're about to make hot cocoa cookies. And then it also says that you can eat it without baking it. I kind of want to try it without baking it. Yeah. Maybe I shouldn't do that. 3 is the normal shit. 3 to 350, and then I usually put them in there for like 10 minutes because my oven is like a sauna. And I think I can't. Oh my god, it's the nail. Oh, it smells like cocoa.
Smell like.
That's cool.
See what they look like.
Yummy. There's little marshmallow pieces in there.
Look like little brownies or something. But you gonna cook them all at once?
I mean, I won't.
You gonna like cook the whole pack or?
Well, when do I ever cook a whole pack of cookies?
I don't know. That's a lot of space in between.
No, it's not. They're gonna get large. When's the last time you baked a cookie in my house?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm confused.
So when I say it's my house, it's not my house, but now it's your house.
Yeah.
Nah, it ain't your house.
Baking?
Nah. You feeling baking? I be baking. I think I was baking bacon. I was baking.
See, I never like to make 6 because 6 is a bad number, but then it makes the next batch better. I have to do 7.
Why is 6 a bad number?
You know why 6 is a bad number.
Party,
I don't want
party,
to.
party, party.
Sorry, buddy.
Party,
Oh, you do it.
party,
No.
party, party.
Goodbye. Alright, I'll see you guys in 10 minutes.
Wow, she ain't bite it.
Oh, we have milk. Yay.
I'm busting.
You bit it for real? What the fuck? Sorry.
That boy busted. That boy bust a cow.
Is it really?
It's bust again.
It's gonna be better, babe. Oh shit, there's shit in here.
Oh, it's oil in there.
I know it smells.
It's
bad.
oil in this paper towel. Hurry up.
No.
Hurry.
Is it good for real? Did you like?
Yeah, for real. That boy was busting. I ain't gonna lie.
I hope they're good warm. I'm so glad. Because they're limited edition cookies. We only got 1. We should have bought like 2.
I think I told you about 2. That boy, yo.
No, because the other ones we got, the Oreo ones were like not like good.
When I bit it, I bit like a chocolate chip and I think a marshmallow. It would slap up in
Ice cream.
Yes, some ice cream. We might
No
have
blizzard.
to. We might have to.
Ooh, I know. What are we gonna do today, Fred?
What are we gonna do tomorrow?
I think we have a mission.
We
Yay!
can use that little ninja, that little bullet, whatever we got.
You gonna make a shape?
Nah, to like break it
I
up.
thought you was making like
I was gonna just put it up in there and break it up.
I'm stressed out.
No, we could just dice them in the.
Alright, guys.
I done got too fat. Yeah.
Alright, I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. I gotta start my timer.
Ooh, slap the camera. How the YouTubers do. like that. Ooh.
What's up with this side? You're pretty.
I got all that. You got a little something on your lip there. Still there, baby.
It's really good. That tastes like a brownie. Yeah? No? Oh, here, eat it.
Me?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. The cooked version. Ooh.
Yeah?
I thought this was gonna be ass.
I know.
I'm so mad because I think I even bought it.
Yeah.
Because you bought this and like 2 other cookies. It was like $10.
Yeah, and we bought the hot cocoa rolls.
Mm-hmm.
Rolls for trash.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Alright, we'll see y'all later.
Oh, yeah, we gotta go. Milk and cookies. I gotta set that milk one time for him.
Let me take it.
Ooh, you should get a milk mustache and then tell them to drink milk because it's strong for it's good for their bones.
I don't care about their bones.
Oh. Oh damn! Alright.
Bye. I don't know what the fuck this is, but it looks good.
No. Who is that at the bottom? It look like Cole Sprouse.
Shit.
This is a DM for the selfie queens and unheard teens.
What's wrong? You're freaking me out.
It's just some good chances. You don't have to go to the bathroom.
Okay.
That's Cadet Kelly.
If you don't drive faster, I'm gonna have a
Or
baby.
Ren Stevens.
I'm going fast as I can.
I don't know her real name. That's Karli.
Hey, bitches. What's it yours?
Y'all, look at this. Look at our closet. We called them and told them to come fix it.
Because they get to it when they get to it.
Exactly. It's been 3 days.
We actually have no sense of time. It's been maybe 1.
So what? This is an emergency. They need to be done ASAP.
The only emergency we have is the fucking light switch that split.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
Carolina took me pulled over.
So yeah, this is what I deal with, y'all. Y'all saw how she bit the cookie and held it in her mouth for 60 seconds? Yes.
Alright, hey guys. It is the next day, and we just finished doing some Instacart. And now we're about to head home and like have lunch. Like go over our lunch and eat this fucking amazing looking sandwich. Those are strawberry cheesecake donuts. See, you shop for other people, but then you also shop for yourself. But we're about to go eat this really nice sandwich that we found. When I show you guys, chef's kiss.
Yeah, we was in there so hungry.
Yeah.
Like every time we turn the corner,
We probably spent maybe 5 minutes of our time looking at stuff. Okay, anywho, so we're about to go do that, and then and I bought some salted caramel cookies. So you guys know we made the hot cocoa cookies last night. So today let's try to make those. All right, guys, I'll see you guys when we get home. All right, guys, so I'm back home, and we also Jalen didn't want to stop there, but we slept at Five Below. And you'll never guess what I found. Did you point it out? What does that mean?
I pointed it out.
I think he pointed it out.
Yeah, just because I didn't want to stop there. You know, what that even got to do with anything? Why you gotta villainize me?
I was letting him know. Okay, so I found a LED selfie case. Do you know what that is? That's basically a movie case. Look. Oh my gosh, there's dog hair on it. Yuck.
What's wrong? Never eat it. Nobody hungry.
Oh my gosh. It kind of looks just like it. And it's the one that has the lights in the back and the lights up front. Like that. That's the expensive one. So it might not be, it feels as sturdy. I wish I had one to compare it to. It feels as sturdy. It might not, the lights might not last as long though. Like forever. Like they might die out forever at some point. Anywho, it does come with a little USB charger. And it says, this is basically the same fucking pictures that Lumi uses. Anywho. 2 hours of selfie time. Yeah, that's not as much as Lumi, but it doesn't matter. It's gonna work anyway. And I didn't even need one, but I guess it was nice to buy, especially for Vlogmas. So anyway, I just want to show you guys that. Oh, and then I also got a antibacterial screen protector, and I got a clear case. And that's all for now. I think I'm gonna end up pimping this one out later down the line, but I'm gonna go, and I'll see you guys soon when we try out our sandwich. Yeah.
They don't know nothing about it.
I already talked about it. Okay. Remember?
I was driving.
Penny's looking at you.
I was driving. I can't think, process, and drive.
You're so funny, Mom.
So I had to cut one out.
I don't take this paper out. I don't know. Yes, I think so. Oh, I did. Oh, wow. This looks like Lumi. That's crazy. Like the back is black, just like Lumi and everything. Mm-hmm. That's weird. Okay, I'll see you guys soon.
So what you doing?
Why you doing?
You don't want to show the vlog what's going on over here?
You gonna do that?
Wow. I see
I
that.
don't have that.
Holy mother of pearl.
Oh, mother of pearl.
Look at that. You see how big that pot is? Yes, sir.
You see, is that him? That's a good sponge. Okay, here.
Yeah, look at all that mayo. You just slap it on that.
Yeah, because you got to go layer by layer. You put one fucking layer of mayonnaise on a mountain sandwich. That's inappropriate. It's rude.
Yo, that's her half of the sandwich. She finna take 4 bites of it and throw it away.
No, I'm not. I think I'm gonna cut it in half though. I might just have to put it in. Like, cause how is...
You might have to cut it up in fourths.
Oh my god. I feel fat. I'm gonna need a photo of me eating it.
You eat all the sandwich, you get it for free. Yeah, that's how big the sandwich is.
Crazy. Let me see.
Put it on a plate. I don't even think there's enough room for chips on your plate.
That's huge. Your mouth doesn't even go over it. Do you see that?
This is gonna be fun. Go ahead, try to take a bite.
I have a cramp in my neck.
She done got locked, y'all.
Okay.
It smells good.
It smells good. Okay.
Where you can put your chips at?
It don't matter because where I'm gonna cut this at, because it needs to be cut.
Oh, the knife was over there. It's somewhere over there. It's a bread knife.
Did you get good pictures of this before?
Yes.
Okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Yo, that commercial just said, "This is the king of all sandwiches."
Really?
The McRib is back.
See, in the Lost Files, we tried that and it's not good.
Yo, look at this. She's doing surgery to the sandwich. Dr. Karli, do you think that sandwich is going to make it?
Honestly, shit.
What's the chance of the patient surviving?
Oh my gosh.
What's the chance?
Shut up. It's a chance. This is horrible.
You should have said 50-50. Cause you cut it.
Get out. Not the time. The bottom bread is so toasted that it won't cut.
Spread them buns. You just ruined the beautiful thing.
I know. I need to eat a beautiful thing.
How did you cut it? Why did it look like that?
You fucking burnt the bottom.
I burnt the bottom. Let me see the bottom.
No, try to cut through it.
I did cut through. I cut through the first time. Alright, now you got room for your chips.
I'm not putting chips on the same plate. I never do. So I don't know why you're concerned about it.
How is it?
It was yummy.
Viral.
It's huge. And I was also about to say, I'm full. And this was like the size. But then I just looked over here and I just realized this is, I still have half left. So yeah, I'm not eating that. So yeah, I'm not even eating that. Well, not tonight, at least. Right there.
Yeah, she got like another plate with the mayo. She said she got to dip it. It's such a whopper plopper.
Oh, got so much meat on it.
And so much bread.
You can't properly coat it.
Do you like the crispiness of the bread, or is it?
I don't like it.
I put like butter on the bread and like threw it up in the oven for like 5 minutes.
That's really good.
That's why the bread's sort of flaking off and crispy.
This is good as fuck. It was
$8?
This
This should have feed four. 4 people can eat off of $8.
maybe 5, maybe 6. I think good.
Actually, I guess if you spend $8, you might as well buy it hot and ready.
If you want to be healthier.
Is this healthier?
Yes.
How many calories do you think half of it is?
I don't know, but it's healthier than fucking. You know, a sandwich is healthier than the other shit. That's why we choose Jimmy John's or versus anything else, right?
I choose Jimmy John's because it's a slap, boy.
That turkey good as fuck. You have to try the meat on its own. Oh shit. Here, try that.
I want that lettuce. Sweet. But alright, y'all, look. Finna fuck these sandwiches up real quick. BRB.
These other cookies we're gonna be baking. And they're sea salt caramel chocolate chunks. Made with loads of chocolate chunks and caramel, real bubbles,
Bubbles?
real butter,
And
and a hint of sea salt.
I love bubble cookies.
I love bubble tea.
I love bubble butts. Bubble butt. Bubble butt. Bubble butt. Bubble butt. Bubble 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 butt. Bubble butt. Bubble 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 butt. Bubble butt. You just gonna ignore me?
Yeah.
Well, they can't, so.
I don't think we can eat this one raw, so don't try it.
Yeah, I ain't gonna try that.
No, don't do that. I don't want you to get sick. This would just look a little bit ugly. Sitting in the car today.
I told you, let's take it home.
And
Then you said, we got anything in here that'll expire. We don't got Duffy.
well, who listens to me?
Well, when I don't listen to you, you get mad because I didn't listen to you.
These are huge. I think they're gonna look really nice. I'm excited.
Oh, you worked on.
That was too bad. Yep, this is supposed to be 12 cookies. Yep, that's good. Alright, so
Look at that sandwich just chilling.
I'm gonna put these in there for. Actually, I might make one more.
Throw one in the mid
Yeah.
to mess up the 3-6.
I didn't do it yesterday. I can't do it again.
Because then that'd be 2 6s. So then you do it again.
There we go.
Holy moly.
Okay, 7 cookies going in the oven. That looks so good. I'll eat them so bad. Now, I'll see you guys in 10 minutes.
I guess I will take the 3 in the middle.
I don't know what happened. Be good. And look at the caramel. Look at the pools of caramel.
Look at that. Look like a It had a pimple. Caramel, and it just popped.
Gross. That's nasty. Don't say that. It looks good though. Okay. I'll see you guys in like 5 minutes.
Maybe earwax.
Goodbye. Right, so this one's not really good. The other ones I really like them.
But I don't really like caramel.
Know that he didn't like caramel.
You don't like caramel.
I didn't know that. So that was a bust. I'm sorry.
But you love caramel, so it doesn't matter.
Like, really good.
Like, look, when we get the frappes, always get the mocha. Because the caramel is too much caramel. I don't like it. It's too sweet. Caramel gets stuck in your teeth.
So lame.
Yeah.
I'm gonna finish enjoying this. They're really good. And mom have bacon too long. But the package said 15 minutes. And I did 10 minutes.
So should they buy them?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all got it from the cookie queen herself. You should buy it.
For sure.